Hi, I'm Chris, and this is my submission for Project 2 of CS50 Web. I will now go through the specification, one requirement at a time, starting with the second requirement, since it's easier to take the first one last. First requirement is create listing. You should be able to create a listing with a nice title, URL to an image. I think I have one. No, I do not. Let's see here. Let's do this one. And description, I'm just gonna grab some text from the assignment, like so. And we'll select Bob's as the category, starting price of 3, and add the auction. The auction has been successfully added. So let's move on to requirement 3, the active listings page. The active listings page should list all the active listings, like the one we just made, including the title, a description, the price, and a photo if there is one. Next requirement is the listing page. And on the listing page, you should be able to add and remove the image from the watch list, the listing from the watch list, and you should be able to bid on the item. So let's see here, the current price is 9. Let's try to bid 9. Yeah. And as you can see, that failed because it's not higher than the last bid. Failed to add bid, please ensure the bid is bigger than the current price. So let's try again. Let's try to bid 10 and bid added. All right. In addition to that, you should be able to add comments. As you can see, I've already done so. Yet another, and there you are. If you're logged in and you're the one who made the auction, you should be able to close the auction. So let's see if we can do that with the one we just made. And indeed we can. The seller is close to the listing. In this case, there's no winner. But I have here, as you can see, I'm signed in as Banana, and this listing, I have won the auction. Because, let's see here, there we go. Here, logged in as Chris, I close the auction, and you get this message instead, Banana has won the auction. Moving on to the watch list. The watch list is just a list of all the things on your watch list. You should be able to click on the items to go to them, and if I remove this from the watch list, as you can see, it's gone. Next requirement, categories. You should have a list, you should have a page where you can click on the different categories and see the active listings in that category. And as you can see, you can also click on these. Next requirement is the Django Admin page. So let's see here if we can find admin. You should be able to edit and delete all these different things, and as you can see, we can change this one to yet another comment and save, and as you can see, it's saved. And you can do the same things with all the different models here, which brings us to the first requirement, which is that you should have models, 3 models in addition to the user model, which is the one for auction listings, one for bids, and one for comments. And as you can see, that is all there. And that was the first requirement, which was the final one. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.